Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's like maybe MSP here so we're gonna be doing a troll today. I don't know where to go in UK. Okay, so let's just go back to America. Let's go back because I made a mistake. Okay. Yeah, I made a mistake. What the heck is going on? Okay. I need to let's go to .com because I have a lot of friends in American server and you should follow me. I mean, you should add me. My name is right here at there. Okay, this is my first time videoing this, and yeah, I'm on MacBook right now because you can't afford a computer. So it's like there's a rare. So we're giving someone. This is a prank, guys. And there's my other prank. Hope she's typing or not. Oh my gosh. No. What do you mean no? I don't know this, but what do you mean? Oh, she's not typing because there's no like. Oh, why is the name has gone wrong? I mean, gone offline. No, I gave you. I gave you a gift. She's not probably type. Yeah, she is typing right there. She is so slow. Oh, I thought you wanted to get. Did you get it? Get it? Okay, we're now going to get another thing. No. Let's just say this. This person has blocked you. That's my other. It's my other print. She said. Okay, she doesn't care. She was so type. Bash, you ain't good with pranks. Okay, unicorn. Okay, unicorn. So see you guys. See you. This will be end of the video. If you guys enjoy, hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. So bye.